This is Moldex3D 2020. Major transformations are happening in the manufacturing industry. We follow them closely and adapt to them. Moldex3D is not only a CAE simulation software, but also an answer that industries seek for smart manufacturing. Moldex3D 2020 Beyond Simulation. Our powerful platform, Studio, has a friendly interface and makes your workflow smoother and easier. Now, Studio is equipped with more comprehensive capabilities to support various modules like DOE, insert molding, RTM, and features like flatness and roundness. With Moldex3D 2020, we added lots of useful new features to improve the accuracy of plastic molding simulation analysis. With optimized calculations, users can determine airflow phenomenon in injection molding, define the heat transfer coefficient HTC, and consider the delayed injection time to get authentic warpage analysis. Aiming to close the gap between physical parts and simulation, Moldex3D keeps improving. True 3D barrel compression in injection makes injection pressure and VP switch timing predictions more accurate than before. Do more calculations mean more simulation time? No. Moldex3D 2020 breaks that myth. It's now faster than ever. We accelerate the solver of BLM and E-design, saving at least 20% of simulation time. You can now take less time and do more detailed and accurate simulations. Moldex3D keeps up with market trends and develops plenty of advanced solutions that help industries solve lightweighting challenges, optimizing the fiber coupling model to simulate fiber-filled flow by changing fiber length and content, enhancement of foaming simulation with cutting-edge functionality, enhancement of RTM function to bring RTM analysis results to the next level. The brand new advanced solutions provided by Moldex3D will support industries to develop products that match your needs not only for quality, but also for market trends. If you have too many projects to manage, Moldex3D 2020 now has a solution through a data-driven teamwork environment using ISLM. With ISLM, you can realize concurrent engineering, record on-site mold trial data compared with simulation results, and transfer personal experience into a digital record that easily adds value to past information. ISLM is one of the key factors that can make your company go further faster. In Moldex3D 2020, you can get faster molding simulation, more powerful studio, useful mesh tools, lightweight solutions, data management system, and accurate analysis results provided by a user-friendly plastic CAE simulation software. Features that you can imagine and beyond are now in Moldex3D 2020. This time, we are not just a simulation, we are Moldex3D 2020 Beyond Simulation.